Greetings to everyone. This is Anthony. I'm here today to share Martin Luther's motivational quote with you. The quote says, "You don't have to see the whole staircase before you take a step." This means every big things have small beginnings. Every big things have small beginnings. Just take the first step. The first step is the most important part in life. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me. May the Lord be with you. May the Lord bless you. Amen.